Hello guys, welcome to the 23rd session of Create Custom Alexa skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will see how to use video app directives in our Alexa skill. Video app.launch directive is used to streaming native video files in EcoShow or Spot devices. Like audio player, in video app we need to specify URL of the video file. There are certain limitations for that video file such as it should be accessible via HTTPS. Currently it supports only MPEG-4 or H.264 codec. Maximum resolution it can support is 1280 pixels, however it does not support 4K. This video app can contain playback controls, titles and subtitles. We can pause, resume, stop and close commands, which will send requests to pause intent, stop intent, resume intent. Let us switch to Visual Studio Code and modify our skill. I'm going to add new intent named Show Video. To execute this intent, user may say Show Video or Play Video. Let us create a new handler. Listen to it for Show Video intent. Also create constant for speech. And my video player for the title. And my favorite track details in the subtitle. Again, I have used S3 bucket to upload the video file. Let us paste its URL. Use response builder to generate a response. Use add video app launch directive method to add video directive. It will take three parameters: video URL, title, and subtitle. Here I am generating video app directive without checking for supported interfaces. We must need to check that current device supports video playback or not. For this we need to check in context.system.device.supportedinterfaces.video app. If it does not support video app, then display the message your device does not support video playback. And register this handler. Now save the file and deploy our skill. We need to enable video app interface for this skill. Build interaction model. Let us test it in simulator. Start our skill. Send request to show video intent. However, we got device does not support the message. Reason for this is that in request object it does not contain video app property in supported interface even after enabling it. So we must need to test it in EcoShow or Spot. I have only EcoDot, so I will be unable to show you it in device. Video app directive is used to play video on the device. There are several restrictions for supported video format. We need to check for video app in supported interfaces. If the device supports it, then use add video app launch directive method and pass URL of the video file and optional title and subtitle for creating metadata object. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.